The plant cell. The plant cell appeared before the existence of animals and humans to pave the way for their survival. This cell discovered the invention of chlorophyll, a substance consisting of green spheres with an ingeniously designed structure, where atoms are connected in a specific way that allows electrons to interact freely. When sunlight, which it feeds on and stores, shines, an electric current flows from it, splitting water into oxygen and hydrogen. The oxygen is then released into the air, while the hydrogen bonds with the abundant carbon dioxide in the atmosphere, forming sugar and starch. Living organisms inhale oxygen, which combines with the nutrients in the cells of their bodies, releasing the energy they need. At the same time, water and carbon dioxide are produced as a result of this process. Thus, the plant cell initiated the era of green plants, chlorophyll photosynthesis. After creating chlorophyll, it gathered salts, water, and clay to develop trees, branches, fruits, and flowers, nearly 500,000 species. It is a world unto itself, appreciated only by specialists. Once again, we return to the laws of mathematical probability, which completely refute chance in this phenomenon. Proteins are among the essential compounds in all living cells, consisting of 5 elements: carbon, hydrogen, nitrogen, oxygen, and sulfur. The number of atoms in a single protein molecule is about 40,000. Given that the number of elements in nature is around 108, randomly distributed, the probability of these 5 elements coming together to form a single protein molecule can be calculated to determine how much matter would be required for such a union to occur by chance without any guiding force. Precise calculations show that the chance of forming a single protein molecule by mere coincidence and probability is 1 in 160, or 10, followed by 159 zeros, a number too vast to express in words. As for the amount of matter needed for such a reaction to occur by chance, producing a single protein molecule, it would require material equivalent to that of the entire universe, multiplied billions and billions of times over. The time required for such processes to occur on Earth by mere chance is 10^242 years, a number of years represented by 10 followed by 242 zeros, a period that exceeds the estimated age of the universe by astronomers many billions of times. Under such calculations and mathematical estimations, chance has no place in this context. Through research and experiments conducted on plants, scientists have discovered that flowers and trees can communicate their feelings to each other and sense humans and animals feeling pain when they are harmed. Darwin believed that plants had nervous systems, and he attempted to experiment on carnivorous flowers, though his experiments were unsuccessful. The Russian photographer Kirlian managed to capture plants on camera, showing them crying and bleeding when a leaf was plucked or a flower was picked. In the photograph, the spot where the leaf was removed appeared surrounded by a halo of blood. The great Russian scientist Pushkin conducted a unique experiment in which he brought a young girl and put her in a hypnotic state. He then asked her to connect with the spirit of some plants in the room. While in her trance, the girl said, "We, the plants, have feelings and emotions just like humans and animals, and we feel what happens around you and in your lives. Often, we are saddened by what befalls you." Modern science has preceded the Greek philosophers in discussing plants and the spirit embedded within them and humans. The Greek philosopher Aristotle said that flowers have a soul, and it is this soul that organizes the life of seeds until they become flowers and fruits. Otherwise, how could seeds grow into such magnificent trees without human intervention? The Greek poet Homer said that when Venus descended into the sea, she laughed and then cried. When asked why, she replied, "I heard some flowers say how beautiful her chest is, while others commented on how slender her legs are." The German poet and philosopher Goethe said, There is a rational force in the earth and in these plants. This force is wise and sets laws for these flowers. There is a rational wisdom, and indeed, there is intelligence in every seed, in every piece of land. Chlorophyll photosynthesis and the plant kingdom, in general, have contributed greatly to life and all living beings. They are a sign of the Creator's glory. Plants purify the atmosphere from carbon dioxide continuously, adding pure oxygen to it and producing organic plant compounds, which form the basis of nutrition for the entire animal kingdom, derived from the carbon extracted from atmospheric carbon dioxide.